Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplot library series. Next to PyPlot, we are going to see about plotting here. So plotting x and y points is the main thing here. The plot is a function which is used to draw points, markers in a diagram. So by default, the plot will draw a line from point to point. So we need to specify the x points and y points using the plot. Matplot library plotting. So for the plotting we need two parameters. Parameter 1 will be for x-axis and parameter 2 will be for y-axis. So it needs two arrays. The two arrays should be integers or floating points, which has to be represented as the starting and end point of x-axis and starting and end point of the y-axis. So if we need to plot a line from 1, 3 to 8, 10, then we need to pass two arrays like 1, 8 and 3, 10 to the plot function. An example, so we need to import a Matplot library pyplot as PLT. So through the PLT only we are going to import the plot, and we need to import numpy as the default one as np. So x points we are pointing a np.array as 1, 8 for x points and y points np.array as 3, 10. So after the plt.plot, x points, y points should be plotted, and we need to show the PLT as the last line. So pyplot as the last line. So if you see as the result of the diagram, it will be pointed from 1, 8 to 3, 10. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.